So often I get asked, how do I exercise best during detoxification? Can I exercise? And obviously a lot of times it's the men that are wanting to know, can they exercise still with weights because they don't want to lose their hard-earned muscles. And the reality is that, strictly speaking, detoxing is a stripping experience. It means you are stripping the body down, you are not rebuilding the body, you are detoxing it, you are letting go, you are shedding. And so, really strictly speaking, depending obviously also on your state of health, you should not be detoxing and building muscle, because the body goes, what am I doing? Am I undoing or doing or building? So ideally, you want to see your period of detoxification as a period of really undoing, stripping down, and to not get fearful if you lose the weight, if you lose the muscles. And yes, you've put a lot of effort into them, but to also trust that once your detoxification period is complete, or the depths of it is complete, and you have regained your health, you will be able to very quickly rebuild your body. So don't worry so much about the undoing process, but rather be present to it. And then once that is done, then you can start exercising again. Obviously, you also don't want to be stagnant and not move at all during detox. And that's why, in my experience, one of the best exercises to do during the process of detoxification really is Kundalini Yoga, because you are moving your lymphatic system, you are doing breath work, you are doing meditation work, you are doing chanting work. So you're working on your thyroid, on your full self-expression. You are really working on all your 10 bodies, energetic, physical, etc. So Kundalini Yoga, in my experience, is one of the best exercises that you can do while you're detoxing. And you will be amazed that most days you will be able to actually do a lot of Kundalini Yoga, and you will feel very invigorated by it. And then as you progress, you can include deep muscle work, and that is where I personally I like to use P-Volve, which you can find online. Stephen Pastorino, I think it's excellent exercise for both men and women. And what I like about it is that it is deeply focused on functional exercise, and it really works all muscles in your body, but from a it doesn't pump the muscles up, but rather it builds intrinsic strength. It builds deep core strength, deep stability, which is what you want. Because a lot of times I see people, they may look muscular, but actually they don't have core stability, they don't have real internal strength. And that is what you want to build up, because a strong body, a true strong core, then also correlates into truly a strong mind and into centeredness, being centered in your body. So those are the two exercises that I recommend. But also, starting from January, we are going to have a trainer which will offer training videos specifically for those of you that are detoxing. So there will be short ones and then slightly longer ones for those of you that are rebuilding your body, so that you can know exactly what to do in what phase. And it's also all it has to do with the length of time of exercise. So I generally don't recommend exercising longer than 30 minutes. Kundalini Yoga, yes, but not the other high intensity workout or deep muscle work, because you want to keep it short, intense, to the point, really work the body, and then be done with it so that the body can recuperate. So you can exercise, but you need to know what you're doing so that you're not breaking down muscle and you're not damaging your body either.